How to create and manage territories and warehouses in Wcart. Start from the left sidebar, go to Inventory and click on Territories. Click the Add button in the top right corner. Enter the territory details, including the territory name, service radius, location title, contact person, phone number, and email address. Next, add the address, PIN code, country, state, and city information. Enable the territory if you want to activate it immediately, and click Save. Once the territory has been created, it will appear in the territories list. To update the information, click Edit. Once the edit is completed, click Save to update. If you no longer need a territory, click Delete and confirm the action. Now, navigate to Inventory and select Warehouses. Click Add to create a new warehouse. Enter the warehouse name and choose the corresponding territory. Fill in the contact person's details, phone number, and email address. Next, provide the warehouse address and location details. You can also enable the pickup point option if customers can collect orders directly from this warehouse. Turn on the active status to make the warehouse operational. Finally, click Save to complete the setup. If you need to update any existing information, locate the required or warehouse from the list. Click the edit icon next to the item. You can modify details such as the name, contact information, address, service radius, or pickup settings. After making the necessary changes, click Save to update the record. If you want to use this warehouse as your primary fulfillment center, click the Make Default option. To remove a warehouse, find the corresponding entry in the list. Click the Delete icon. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Confirm to permanently delete the warehouse. Thanks for watching.